Tired of manually creating Excel reports? Are you still handwriting labels? Using 3 different software platforms to manage your kitchen? At Sprwt, we understand that operating your restaurant is time-consuming. You're the shopper, the chef, the delivery driver, the customer support agent, and the web developer. Imagine a solution that combines all of your meal prep operations on a single platform. Long and complicated tasks are a thing of the past, because with Sprwt, your kitchen works seamlessly for you. Now, you will automatically create shopping lists, cooking reports and packaging sheets, print nutritional labels for every meal, optimize your delivery routes, manage your customer subscriptions, and much, much more. Sprwt is helping meal prep owners all over the world. We are the restaurant management solution of tomorrow. So sign up today. Owning a meal prep company is finally simple and profitable.